Hi, I will discuss about substitute function in advanced use, how we can utilize the substitute function dynamically. So let's see the practical approach here. So here, what I have to do. So before going to this scenario, you should aware about the basic use of substitute function. So as you are aware about the substitute function, now what I have to do here, I need to take one example how we can place star on last space. So last space is this one, last space is this one here. So all the time you have to place a star on last space. So this is the example you have to do here. So how we can do it? So let's see. Place a star on last space. Okay. So this example we will do here. So header I have made. So I'm just taking grid line. So see here. Here you need to apply substitute function. Take reference of this as a text. Old text you have to take space because on last space you have to take a star. So old text I have taken space, comma, you want to take a star on last space. If I take only 3 parameters in substitute function, a star will be placed on all spaces. You can see here, a star is placed on all spaces, but I don't want to take a star on all the spaces. So how we can identify what is my last space? For last space, you need to apply here number of space count. So total length, you have to take total length, bracket close, minus again length, but you have to remove the space. So through the substitute function, I will remove the space, comma, space, comma, inverted comma twice. So now this length function will give me number of character into earth is round including space. But this length will give me number of character excluding space into earth is round. So including space, total character, excluding space, total character. If we do minus, then you will get number of spaces. See here, you are getting number of spaces. Done. So this is the output, how many spaces available on these sentences. So same output you have to take as a third parameter of this function. So last fourth parameter of this function. So here I will take instance number. Instance number, if I put manually 2, then you will get a star on second space. Okay. So I'm getting a star on second space. Okay. So you can see here, this is the second space, this is the second space, this is the second. But I need to take a star dynamically on last space. So last space is a second space in earth is round. Last space is 12th space into this sentence. Fourth space is a last space in this sentence. So you have to take this number into last parameter here. You have to remove the 2 and you have to take reference of this. Then enter. Now you are getting a star on last space. See here. This is the last space. This is the last space. This is the last space. Now, I don't want to put here reference of D19. I don't want to put here reference of the D19. Same function, whatever function I have applied in D19, same function I will apply on this place, instance number. Okay. So what function I have applied here? I have applied total length of this text. this text, minus total length again, but excluding space. So you need to exclude the space through the substitute function. Excluding space means you have to remove the space. Take reference of this comma. In old text you have to remove the space, so you have to take a space, comma, then you have to take nothing, bracket close twice, then enter. See here, drag in downside, so now you are getting same output without taking this reference. So same function I have applied here, total length minus again total length excluding space. So this is the total length and this is a total length excluding space. So this is the output, how we can apply any character on last space. If you want to take dash on last space, so here I want to take 3 dash on last space, enter. You can see here on last space you will get 3 dash. It's not mandatory to put only a star. You can put any types of character on last space. So I will give you another example in next lecture how we can utilize this function in advanced way. Thank you so much for this video.